I'm Spencer Childers with Keller Williams Realty, your local real estate guy, making real estate easy. And today we're going to talk about the Zestimate. Is it right? Is it wrong? Can you trust it? So how does Zillow come up with this estimate? They pull local county records and put it into their fancy algorithm that takes into account bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and other amenities that come along with the house. So is the Zestimate right or accurate for your house? Let's check out the screenshot of Zillow's website. It says that the Zestimate for on-market homes is within 10% of final sales price 95% of the time. So let's break that down. If the Zestimate for your house is $200,000, that means Zillow is saying, well, your house could go for as high as $210,000 or as low as $190,000. And that's based on a major market statistics that they have. Indiana is not considered a major market, and on their website they didn't have data listed for Indiana, so it's probably not even that close. So based on my local experience of comparing the Zestimate to what homes actually sell for, if you live in a neighborhood where the homes are fairly similar to one another, they have the same number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and structurally they're pretty much the same thing, then the Zestimate actually can be pretty close for you. If you live in the opposite of that, where your neighbor's home is not as similar to your house, and maybe they have a bigger house, a basement, acreage, an outbuilding or two, then the Zestimate's probably not going to be as close because there's too many variables for Zillow's algorithm. So how should you use the Zestimate? Well, first let's take a look at this screenshot here from Zillow's website, where it actually shows that Zillow recommends that you get an actual appraisal on your property from a professional appraiser, or you hire a local real estate agent to do a market analysis for you, like me. There are a lot of other factors that go into pricing your home other than the basic structure and the amenities of the home. So that's why it's always good to get a local real estate agent to tell you where the home would sell for in today's value. What you can use the Zestimate for is just a benchmark. So let's say that Zillow says, oh, my house is worth $200,000 this month. Next month is $201,000, next month is $202,000, so on and so forth. Really what you can use that for is, okay, well the market seems to be going up. That's a good benchmark for your property. That doesn't mean that the house is worth exactly that number. And that's everything you need to know about the Zestimate. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Spencer Childers with Keller Williams Realty, your local real estate guy, making real estate easy.